And today, I'm going to be introducing a business model that could potentially be making you thousands of dollars weekly as a beginner. There are people out here making simple AI generated TikToks, posting them on faceless TikTok accounts, and sharing products through these posts. You can see here, like this post has a product linked to it. These single posts, just like this, are generating hundreds of thousands of dollars. And the best part is you are simply just promoting this product, not selling the product yourself. So all you have to do is get AI to create a video just like this for you. And whenever somebody buys the product through your video, you keep a whole percentage of the profit. This is called TikTok affiliate. And because this is a new feature, TikTok is boosting accounts that are posting videos like this, even if you are a brand new account and you've never posted on TikTok before. You do not need a following to start, and you do not need any prior experience. In this video, I will show you everything that you need to actually get started doing this. It's actually insane how these are blowing up overnight, and so many lives have been changed financially because of it. Take a look at this faceless TikTok account promoting this collagen powder product. These videos are generating thousands of dollars weekly. Or check out this cordless vacuum cleaner. This one gives an 8% commission. So based on the revenue from this last 7 days, this creator made about $15,000 in a single week just from one video. And these TikToks are being created using this one simple tool that I found, which turns one prompt about a product that you give it into a full-blown TikTok for you in minutes. There's so many faceless TikTok accounts doing this same exact thing. And if they are doing it, why can't you? You will not believe how easy it is to actually start TikTok affiliate for yourself and actually create these videos, no matter what kind of products that you decide to promote. Now it's time to create the video, and we're going to do this completely using just AI, a bunch of in-video AI, and I put the link for this tool down in the description box below, so make sure you sign up with that. Is this box that asks you to type in a topic and instructions into the box. So let me show you how you can actually do this. So I'm going to ask with the AI, create a TikTok video for this is where we put our product, multi-collagen peptides powder product that has the following benefits. We're going to list here: rejuvenates skin, grows hair and skin, gives you a glowy, youthful skin, includes biotin, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid inside of it. And lastly, starts with a hook to keep viewers engaged. Now you can see I filled this box up with tons of information, and I just got this information from just going on TikTok and just scrolling through and seeing how other people promoted this product and basically just kind of copying what they said for this information that we're summarizing here. In order to get the perfect script, you want to make sure that it includes these 4 aspects. Doesn't have to, like obviously with this one is a little bit different, but these are always like my go-to of what I tell people if you're wanting to write your own script and just make it better as you're scripting, is you want to start with the problem. You want to give a detailed explanation. You want to show what the product can achieve and introduce the solution, and then have a call to action. Call to action is just by saying, maybe putting a little arrow on the screen pointing to the TikTok shop button, or by saying I linked this product to the video. So let's just give that a few minutes, and call to action is just by saying, maybe putting a little arrow on the screen. Let's see what the AI comes up with. And again, it may ask you a couple more questions to help you to make the video even better and more specific. Everything looks good right here. So I'm just gonna click this, and let's just watch a little bit of the video. Imagine a secret weapon. No, not a James Bond gadget, but a pouch. So after I see this, I think of a couple things, and there's just a couple things that we're going to clean up first about the script, and then we're going to do a couple other things. But what's cool is you don't have to leave this app. You can do everything through this platform. And remember, you always want to think of AI as your coworkers. Your coworker just brought you this video. Now you're going to take it as the boss and put your own touch on things. So it's very normal to make little edits like this after the AI creates the video for you. And then edit script up here. And I'm just going to clean up this script a little bit. Then, very important is we're going to go ahead and just work on the B-roll section right here. Because one thing to note is you do have to have the product in the video somewhere. But I have a little hack for you guys that you guys can use if you don't have the product right in front of you. And for those that actually want samples of your products, there are ways to get free samples, which I will talk about later in the video as well. So to edit the B-rolls, you're just going to click on Edit Media, which is right next to Edit Script, and you can do that here. You can see as you click on the media yourself, it'll actually highlight the part of the script that is seen for that part. So it's super easy to make quick edits here. So now we need to find videos of the product to include in our video. So there's two ways to do this. You can either get free samples of the products, which I'll show you how to do later in this video, or get faceless, non-licensed videos off of TikTok that you can just use a couple seconds of. So the easiest way is to just go on TikTok and just search for this product. So I just searched for the product and I'm just scrolling through to find a video. Once you find the video, just click on this share button here, then click copy link. Then just go to your browser on Safari and just type in SnapTik. And you're going to paste the link in this box here. Then just click on download. Then just click on download HD. You might have to watch a quick ad, but as soon as it's done, it will download the video and you'll notice that it's in your download section. So just tap the video. Then you're just going to tap on this right here at the bottom left. And then you're just going to click on Save Video. So now this will be saved in your camera roll. So you can just airdrop this to your computer or email it to yourself to get on your computer, however you want to get it from your phone to your computer. Then just come back to InVideo AI, click on Upload Media, and we are just going to upload the video that we just downloaded from SnapTik without the TikTok watermark. I did also zoom in on the video a little bit so you couldn't see any of those other little graphics that were shown. We just see like a video of just the product. So you can't really tell where this video came from. We're not like, taking their whole video and reposting it because you cannot do that. So now this looks great. We now have the product in this video. So just click on Apply Changes. So we're going to just check here to make sure all the other media looks good, which it does look good. And if you want to search, they also have tons of stock footage included in InVideo AI that you can search through. If you want to change out any of the other clips, you can do that here. And when you're done, just click on Apply Changes. That's going to bring you back to this main page, and you can see the product is now included in our video. But I want to make a couple more changes here. So you will see that there's this little edit command box underneath the video preview section. So I'm just going to type in here, add subtitles to the video, and click generate. So just click generate, and in a few minutes you can now see that subtitles were added to this video. So now let's do another change. I want to change the voiceover to an American woman voiceover. So I'm just going to click on generate. And again, in a few minutes, you will see that we now have a different voiceover as it's a woman's now, which makes way more sense than it being a man. Okay, so now I'm going to show you an even crazier thing that InVideo AI does, which is actually cloning your own voice and putting your own voice into the video. So I actually already gave InVideo AI a voice memo of my own voice, and I'm just going to type in here, change voiceover to voice 1. I labeled my voice memo that InVideo AI has to voice 1, which is why I say it here. Then just click on generate. And you can now see that my own voice has been cloned and put into the video. Just listen to that. So your game from within. This one powder that rejuvenates your skin, grows your hair, and gives you a youthful glow. It's not magic. It's science. Let me show you how you can use this new voice cloning tool. When you're on InVideo AI, just click on these 3 lines up here on the left-hand side. Then under plugins, just click on voices. Click here and you can add your voice. So with this, you have to submit a recording of at least 30 seconds and just mention, I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice. This is just for you to use, but if you don't mention this, it will not work. I know here it says to use high-quality recording equipment, but you really don't need to. You can just use your phone or your laptop. So once you film a voice, just click on Choose File, and you can upload it here. Check all of these boxes, give it a second to work, and then click Done. If you want to add multiple voiceovers, you can click on this button here to edit and rename this file. Once the processing is complete, you can then click on Use, and it will automatically add your voice to the prompt. So then you can add in whatever you want here to actually make the next video. Then when you're done, just click on generate a video and they will literally use your voice to create the video with. Now we are just going to click on export. And all of these settings I always keep the same. So then we're just going to click on continue. And now we have our video here that is saving. When it's done, you'll just click on download. And I put the link to access this AI tool down in the description box below. You can get started with InVideo AI for free and create up to 4 videos for free every week. But if you are serious about video creation and you want to publish videos without a watermark, you should upgrade to a paid plan, which is around $20 a month. This is the plan that I have. And if you want to clone your voice like I did for your videos, this is also included into this paid plan. I'll see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.